Hi, guys. Yeah. Okay, so one more time. Who has at the moment an active ad on Facebook right now, running, collecting impressions, clicks, whatever? Perfect. A few. Okay. Who is planning to do it in the next 1 to 2 weeks to start their first Facebook ads? Okay. Okay, of those of you who run Facebook advertising, who is using a third-party technology to help them automate their Facebook ads? Not too many hands? Okay. And who is integrating data other than Facebook to optimize the performance of their Facebook campaigns? Hands up? All right, quite a few. Good, good. So the friends from Smartly who were speaking just a while ago over there, they were speaking a lot about dynamic ads and the presence of Facebook advertising. I would like to take you a little bit further, and I would like to speak about where we see the future of Facebook advertising. But let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Peter, and I work in a company called ROI Hunter. So we're a Facebook marketing partner, one of the probably 150 ones in the whole world, 150 partners in the whole world. And in the ecosystem, we have the expertise of ads technology. So we're the ads marketing partner. And we also have Google Analytics partner badge, let's say. So we're a Facebook ads partner and Google Analytics partner. And before joining ROI Hunter, I was actually working at Facebook directly in their Dublin office, taking care of clients similar to you who want to start scaling their businesses and growing by help of Facebook. So where is the future of Facebook advertising? That's the question that many of you may be asking. And I think I need to take you through a little bit of data and trends and tell you what is happening at the moment in performance marketing. So the first thing, it's too much. It's too much information, too many tools, technologies, expertise, and skills that today's marketers need to have in order to succeed with Facebook ads. It's not very simple. And what we learned is it is getting more and more complicated. Facebook is adding objectives, ad formats, ways how to advertise on Facebook. So it's becoming bigger and bigger when it comes to how complicated it is. So what we figured out, you need to be not only a good marketer, you need to be a good data scientist, you need to understand technologies, tools, metrics, all this to be able to succeed when it comes to growing your businesses on Facebook. And we identified these 4, let's say, challenges that today's marketers have when it comes to Facebook advertising. So the first challenge, data. Data at the moment, they are all over the place. You have different tools, you have different platforms, you have Google Analytics, you have Facebook reports, maybe you have some CRM data, maybe you have some Excel sheets, maybe you have some Google spreadsheets where you need some reports. Maybe you have Photoshop, your mail marketing engine, your feed, your CRM. It's too much. So this is a challenge. The other challenge is there are too many tools and technologies to master, right? There is a whole ecosystem between marketer and publisher. I'm sure you've seen this chart. But what we believe, some of these guys from here to here will disappear. So all the middlemen buying clicks cheap and selling them somewhere else expensive, they will disappear. They will die. All the RTB systems, gone. You know why? Because Facebook and Google and all the big guys, they don't want middlemen. They want you to buy directly on Facebook. So direct API buying on Facebook is the future of advertising, not only on Facebook, on Google as well. So partners like us who do direct API buying, who do not do we buy clicks cheap here and sell them expensive here, that's where the future is going. And all these middlemen in the middle, with time, they will disappear from the market. And this will actually become much simpler. The third problem, even like measuring your success, like deciding what is it that makes me successful and how do I measure it, even that is a challenge. Like, is your key KPI, is your key success metric ROI? Okay, what kind of ROI? Is it last click non-direct attribution model and ROI calculated based on that? Or is it 1 day post view, 28 days post click attribution model and ROI calculated on that? You will get two different numbers, right? So what Facebook does, Facebook attributes in the default setting everything that happens 1 day post view or 28 days post click. Now Google doesn't do that. Google does, we only attribute the conversion if you are the last non-direct click, if you have the last non-direct click. So what is your ROI? What is the ROI that you are optimizing towards? That's difficult, right? So again, what we do, we integrate Google Analytics into ROI Hunter, and we allow you to see different attribution models, different data sources, and different metrics in one chart, so that you have immediately an insight into your business and into what success means for you and into metrics that are important for you. And obviously Google doesn't track cross-device. They're cookie-based, while Facebook is Facebook user ID based, so it's cross-device. So here you'll also find conversions that started on mobile and ended on desktop, for example. There, only same browser. Another problem, cross-channel measurement. So complicated these days. How do you do multi-channel measurement? How many of you do multi-channel measurement? Hands up. Multi-channel, no one? You probably do multi-channel measurement, but it typically would be cookie-based. It's really difficult to measure what happens across channels. I think at the moment Google Analytics does the best job at this, and by far they're not catching the whole picture. So in order to solve all these challenges, you really need to customize. And customization takes place in everywhere we see, because the needs that you have are growing. Your managers are asking you, and the owners of your businesses are asking you for, growth. And you really need to customize the solutions that you're working on, that you're working with, to simplify, even like explaining what success is. So this is, for example, a chart that shows the demand for third-party tools that work with Facebook. So people are searching more and more for third-party tools that help them optimize and automate their performance marketing initiatives, including Facebook. And that's where we come into play. That's where Facebook marketing partners help you get the best out of Facebook advertising, optimizing towards ROI or cost of sale, or even like app events if you have mobile apps. So for metrics that are important for you. And not always this is possible with native Facebook tools like Power Editor or Ads Manager. You cannot integrate Google Analytics into Power Editor. No way, unless Facebook buys Google or Google buys Facebook. But with third-party apps like us, you can. And we do. So you need data integrated into one platform to give you better insights faster. Okay? Now, what can you integrate with? You can integrate your CRM system. Why would you do that? Well, let's say you want to target people on Facebook who didn't open your email yesterday. They didn't open email, they haven't seen it, it's in the junk folder or something, but you still want to target them. You still want them to see what you have to say. Okay, so you create a segment called people who didn't open email yesterday, and you create a custom audience from it, and you target your Facebook advertising to these guys, and it appears in their newsfeed. They haven't seen it in the email, they will see it in their newsfeed on Facebook. How does that sound? Good? That's interesting strategy, yeah? But you need to have your CRM integrated to Facebook to be able to automate this, to be able to do this not manually, like not uploading emails by CSV file or something. You actually want to create an API bridge between a third-party tool like us and Facebook. And then you can do it, few clicks. So automation speeds up work and is less resource heavy. It will mean that you will click less and set up campaigns less, and you will be able to focus on the important things, on strategies that you want to do. So less management, more strategic thinking. So you want to have automated ad management when it comes to audiences and targeting, when it comes to even templates. Who of you works with dynamic ads that Smartly guys were talking about, with feeds? You work, yeah? But they look ugly between us. They look really ugly, right? Dynamic ads. It's just white background and product, done. But if you have a template editor, you can actually make them beautiful. And you do it once, and you apply it to the whole feed, and they look awesome. Automatic rules. Who is using automatic rules to automate their advertising? Okay, a few hands up, great. So automatic rules are something that will save a lot of time for you. And imagine you have Google Analytics data integrated into the platform. You can even create automatic rules like, if cost of sale, a Google Analytic metric, is below 10%, increase bid. Automatically. You don't have to do it. You don't have to sit there on Friday evening when people start buying. And optimize towards metrics that are important to you. This all can be automated. You don't have to do it manually. So instead of focusing on managing your campaigns, you can actually focus on strategies and on results, on the things that are important to you. And what is important to you, it will be different case by case. Each of you is different, each of you has a different business, each of you has different metrics that are important for them. So for some of you, conversions are important. For someone else, engagement is important. For someone else, metrics from other data sources, like your mobile measurement partners or Google Analytics, will be important. For some of you, leads will be important because you're basically creating lead generation campaigns. All this you can optimize towards. And where all these leads, let's just imagine where all this goes. It's personalized marketing at scale. And even the biggest guys in the world, like McDonald's Global, are doing this. They're integrating with Facebook through partners like us to personalize campaigns at scale. Because at the end, Facebook wants people to see ads that they are interested in. They don't want people to see ads that piss them off. They want to see they want their users to see relevant ads. That's why Facebook has relevance score. And that's why you as a marketer don't want to waste impressions on people who are not interested in your product or in your business or in whatever service you sell. And marketers, you guys, think personalization is one of the most important to marketing in coming years. So personalization is the most important trend. This is what you want to do. You want to show good ads to people who want to see them, and you don't want to show bad ads. But as I said, it's complex. It's a lot of complication. And simplicity, as we know, has its value. Recently, Trello, a simple project management tool, was bought by Atlassian for 425 million. Well done, guys, from Trello. So what is the future of performance marketing on Facebook? From what I've said, it's clear that it's automation, it's optimization, it's data integrations, and if you're asking now, will I be replaced by an algorithm one day? Will I, as a marketer, be replaced by a machine one day? I don't think so. There is always this element of creativity involved, which is very hard to program. So I don't think marketers will be replaced by algorithms, not anytime soon. But marketers need to embrace the change that is coming, need to embrace the technologies, the tools, learn different skill sets, and don't just think that you already know it all and you've been in this business for 10 years, so yeah, I know it all. No, we're all students. And Facebook and Google are innovating so quickly that we all have to learn all the time. So the good mindset is, okay, I'm a learner in this. I'm a student, and I always be a student in this. And I want to learn what Facebook is doing and how it's doing and what works for me. What is the best solution that is customized for me? And we're happy to help you with that, because it's difficult. So just to explain the ecosystem of marketing partners, there are several marketing partners that you can choose from. If you go to Facebook, facebookmarketingpartners.com, you will find a list of partners. You can filter them by specialties, industries, countries, languages. You'll find guys there like AdGlow or us or Smartly guys who were speaking there a few hours back. So choose whichever partner is good for you. Choose the partner that has the expertise and that has the functionality that you need for your customized solution. And then work with that partner. Or test a few of them and choose. And the end goal should be this: good ads should go to heaven, and bad ads should never show. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Peter.